Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you now the Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3 Core i5 13th generation model. This is the keyboard, full size, comes with the number pad and without backlight. This is the touchpad, you can see. The slim design. Webcam with privacy setup. Small bezel on side. Speaker. In the top, this one is a aluminium body. You can see this aluminium, slim design. I will show you the side connections. What are the ports are available. You can see the power round pin power button, USB port, HDMI, Type C, headphone jack combo 3.5, Intel Wi-Fi sticker. Let's see other side. One USB port, memory card reader, power button, and this is a reset button there inside. So this is a laptop, Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3 Core i5 13th generation, 8GB RAM, DDR5-4800 and 512GB M.2 SSD, 15.6 inches WUXGA 1920 by 1200, IPS 300 nits. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.